Kamakailan lang, maraming tao ang nakasaksi sa pangyayaring ito nang mamataan sa kalangitan ang isang unidentified flying object.
Are you guys seeing this? What is this? Weird going on the eastern horizon. Western horizon. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my gosh, I don't know. This is something I've never seen. That is crazy.
No. Yes. That thing's. That's a.
That's pretty good.
Oh, whoa. What is that?
Sa Middle East, nanalasa ang dambuhalang sandstorm na ginawang gabi ang